So today we're diving into something that's really pushing the limits of what we thought AI could do. We're talking about a model that doesn't just solve math problems, but can actually formally prove them.
And that's the central question, right? Can an AI really prove a mathematical theorem? We're not just talking about spitting out an answer. We mean building a rigorous, step-by-step logical argument that is absolutely, undeniably correct.
And let's be clear, this is one of the toughest nuts to crack in the entire field of AI. It demands a level of precision and pure reasoning that's just worlds away from typical language tasks. Honestly, most of the big labs, they don't even go near it. It's that hard.
But, that might all be changing. There's a new player in town, a massive open-source model called LongCat Flash Prover, and it was built specifically to take on this incredible challenge.
So what is it that makes this model so different? How exactly does it manage to think like a mathematician? Let's get into it. Okay, first things first, we gotta understand what a formal proof even is. This isn't just showing your work like in high school math class. A formal proof is like building a legal case where every single logical step, every tiny detail is checked against a rigid set of rules. There's zero room for error, zero ambiguity. It's pure mathematical certainty.
And the way LongCat actually builds these proofs, it's just fascinating. See, instead of having one giant AI brain trying to do everything, it's much better to think of it as a specialized team of AI experts, all working together on the same problem.
Think of it like a brilliant little assembly line for logic. It all starts with the translator. This part's job is to take a problem written in plain English and convert it into the super strict language of formal math. Next up is the strategist, who's the big picture thinker. It takes a huge, scary theorem and breaks it down into smaller, manageable chunks. And finally, you've got the builder, who meticulously puts all those little pieces together to construct the final, airtight proof.
Okay, but how do we know this team isn't just making stuff up? Well, that's where the silent auditor comes in. There's this program called Lean4 that acts as the ultimate fact checker. It has zero tolerance for mistakes. It scans every single line of the proof to make sure the logic is absolutely flawless. And here's this little detail that I just love, because it shows you how the model really works. When it explains what it's doing, LongCat often uses the word we. It'll say we prove or we know. This isn't just a weird quirk, it's almost accidentally honest. It's the whole team, the translator, the strategist, the builder, speaking as a single unified mind.
All right, the theory sounds fantastic, but does it actually work when the rubber meets the road? Well, the researchers put it through a series of really clever challenges to find out.
For the first test, they gave it a classic problem about exponential growth. But here's the trick. The challenge wasn't just to prove the theorem. It had to prove it, generate all the intermediate steps, and explain the whole thing in plain English, all at the same time. And it totally nailed it. A clean, perfect proof with a clear explanation of how it got there. Now, the next test was even smarter. The researchers asked it to prove something called the Goldbach conjecture. This is a super famous problem in mathematics that nobody has ever solved. So this wasn't really a test of its proving skills, it was a test of its honesty.
And its response was perfect. A lesser AI, a more dishonest one, might just try to make something up, what we call hallucinating a fake proof, just to give the user an answer. But LongCat did the right thing. It said, hey, this conjecture is still unproven, and then it explained that because there's no known proof out there, it simply can't create one. That's not a failure, that's a crucial safety feature. It knows what it doesn't know. For the final test, they decided to bring it into the real world. The challenge? Take an informal, everyday problem, like how compound interest works in a mortgage, and turn that into a formal, rock-solid mathematical proof. This tests the whole pipeline, from understanding messy human language all the way to executing perfect logic. And the result here was genuinely impressive. The model successfully built a formal proof for the financial formula, handling all the tricky real number math. And then it turned around and translated it all back into a simple, easy-to-understand explanation of how your mortgage actually works.
So what kind of horsepower is driving all of this? Well, the model is built with a staggering 560 trillion parameters. That's just a massive scale.
And that massive scale, it translates directly into incredible performance. You can see it right here on this chart. When they tested it on the mini F2F benchmark, which is kind of like a standard final exam for math AIs, LongCat scored a near perfect pass rate. It's not just a little better than other open models, it's in a whole different league. It's the new state of the art.
Okay, so it's smart, it's powerful, it aces all the tests. But so what? Why does any of this actually matter outside of an academic lab? What are the real-world stakes here?
Well, the applications are actually huge. Think about software safety. You could use this to verify the critical code in an airplane's flight system or a medical device to prove that there are no catastrophic bugs. In the world of finance, it could check incredibly complex contracts to make sure they're mathematically sound. And for AI itself, this is a huge step toward building systems we can actually trust.
And that's really the big takeaway. This isn't just some fun academic exercise for mathematicians. What we're looking at is a powerful new kind of tool, a tool that can finally bridge the gap between our messy, creative human intuition and the absolute certainty of a machine-checkable proof.
And that really brings us to the final mind-bending question. As we start to build tools that can understand and verify the deep logic of our world, from finance to software to science, it just opens up a whole new frontier. So if an AI can prove that our own logic is sound, what profoundly difficult problems will we finally have the confidence to ask it to solve next?